Tradition calls for us to select a temporary chairman. Until you are well, Uncle. A man who would continue as you would wish. If they were brazen enough to attack a wedding, we have to assume 18K will be coming after us.
I know that you are right. Wei, my boy.
Uncle, you're okay.
Thanks to you. Sister Jiang told me about the troubles between you and Big Smile Lee here. You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
Yes, of course, Uncle Po.
Good. Park Mark, see to it that Wei is formally initiated. He's been a loyal foot soldier to the Sun Han Yi. It's time to make him a red pole.
Your initiation is young Leon. He has been selling to schoolgirls and was ordered to stop. He switched to the 18K instead. Make an example of him.
Thank you. I will.
If any of your people have not been properly initiated, bring them with you. Uncle, we still need to decide who will lead us.
What about you, Park Mark? You are my greatest friend. You know my wishes better than anyone. Would you not take my place?
No, Uncle. I am your advisor. I cannot lead in your place.
So, if not you, who then?
Chu Chin Sao. He is your true nephew, your blood, legacy Doyan. Who better to preserve your wishes and keep the family together?
Tu Qian, can you handle this responsibility? Temporary chairman?
Yes, Uncle. I am ready and grateful for the opportunity.
Park Mark, see that it is done.
Jackie, it's Wei. Where are you?
Getting a massage, man. Let me tell you, the girls here are...
Listen, I got some news. I'm on my way over. We got an errand to run. See you in a few minutes. Jackie, you're gonna love this.
What's going on, Wei?
Well, you're about to become a full member of the Sun Han Yi.
Fuck me! Are you sure?
100%.
Yeah, baby! Fucking did it, yeah! Oh, don't worry about it, my man. It'll be your turn soon.
Jackie, they're making me a red pole.
What? Holy shit, Wei! Holy fucking shit!
Well, Jackie, the dream finally comes true.
No shit! Hey, Wei, don't think I don't appreciate it. I know it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No problem, Jackie.
Man, you want to get a massage before we go? My treat. Come on, man. Best way to celebrate. You won't believe what these girls can do.
Then he said that if I stuff my panties in his mouth, he'd pay me extra.
So what did you do?
I put them in there, lor.
You want a
loved
little
it.
relief?
All right.
Let's see what
So,
we can
what's
do,
the problem?
Kaya.
Every time he asks me for something, I push the price up. Once he had my nasty little undies in there, he couldn't talk lah.
So, what's this errand?
It's part of our initiation. You know this guy?
Holy shit! Young is one of us, Wei. Came up in old prosperity just like you and me.
Well, he's been dealing to kids. They ordered him to stop a couple of times.
Okay. They tell you much about the ceremony?
Just that we're in it.
We're brothers after that. Man, Sun On Yi brothers.
Yeah.
Hey, wait, what? I went out with Jumei the other day.
Finally asked her out, huh? So how'd it go?
Man, I made her laugh so hard. I read that somewhere. That if you make a girl laugh, she'll fall in love with you.
I think if you're funny, she'll fall for you.
Same thing, isn't it?
純算老實係表明你吸引死成。Daddy，你哋
Hey, where's Yo?
咁搞時候撲街，係時候做嘢啦。
Hey, we need to talk to you. Uncle Po sent us.
我冇嘢搞啊，我冇嘢做㗎，唔好意思啊，唔好意思啊。我會做嘅，下次唔做嘅。Jackie, let's go. Jackie, let's go. Come on, let's move.
You okay?
I don't know, man. I've never... Shit, Wei, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it... I don't know, my hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jack. Breathe, man.
I lied. I didn't expect it to be like that. I always thought about how it looked. I didn't know how it made me feel, you know? I can feel it in my stomach. Shit, Wei.
Calm down. Look, it'll wear off, okay?
Oh, shit.
Is it done?
It's done.
Good, good. Brothers, from today forward, your lives will be forever changed. Because today you are my brothers. We're bound to each other by blood, sworn to protect each other to the death if necessary. With our brotherhood comes duty. You will obey our leader in all things, and you will show your brothers respect always. With our brotherhood comes power. The Sun On Yi does not die. The Sun On Yi does not forget. It rewards its sons with wealth, status, and honor. It protects their businesses and their families. It cares for their children as if they were their own. Our brotherhood pays our enemies with pain, suffering, and death. And none suffers more than a traitor. Betray your brothers, and you will die 1,000 times over, slowly, in the dark. The Sun On Yi and the gods themselves will burn your soul from your body and crush the ashes with our heels. There are 32 oaths. With them, you are bound together. With them, you become Sun On Yi. Are you ready to begin?